I am Maurizio Valch, visual artist and poet. My work is born from contemplation and silence. I paint inner landscapes where matter, color, and symbol dialogue with the invisible. After many years of searching, I now need to take the next step to expand my studio so I can create large-scale works with new materials, textures, and spaces for experimentation. With the funds raised, I will create a new series of extra large paintings, each one accompanied by a poem. I will invest in canvases, pigments, mediums, varnishes, and professional brushes, as well as proper lighting, furniture, and the opening of a new workspace where this project can fully unfold. This is not just an artistic project, it is an expansion of consciousness, a way of sharing beauty and depth in times of noise. Every contribution will be a seed that makes this growth possible, and every painting created will carry something of those who chose to walk with me on this path. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for believing in art that is born from the soul.